youngest Christmas party. You know how it be, ice skating and stuff.
Throw a sound effect on ice.
Throw a sound effect on ice.